Mama dog was separated from her puppies and left at a shelter, but her job as a mother wasn't over. But before we start, please take a moment to give this video a like, subscribe to HappyWorld, and hit the bell so you'll never miss these great stories. Esperanza was only 1 year old when she was abandoned. Luckily, a local shelter from Mexico saved her life by taking her in. The poor doggy looked like she'd just given birth, but her puppies were nowhere to be found and she was sad. This is when the local shelter staff came up with the brilliant idea to put Esperanza in the same room with a litter of kittens that needed a mother. Surrogate mother. To everyone's surprise, Esperanza started caring for the little kittens as soon as she got close to them. The dog was not just helping them out, she was saving their lives because they needed milk in order to survive. Loving mother. Even though dogs and cats are natural enemies, Esperanza's maternal instincts kicked in when she saw the litter of kittens. It was clear that Esperanza is a loving dog that was abandoned by a cruel person. Finally safe. After spending a couple weeks at the local shelter, the animal rescue known as Coco's Animal Welfare decided to take them in. Esperanza and her kitten babies were finally safe from harm's way. To make things even better, Coco's Animal Welfare is also the place where Esperanza will meet her new family. New family. Esperanza and the kittens were safe, but they still needed a home. Luckily, this is when Evie Power and her family came to visit the Animal Rescue Center and fell in love with the cute dog. Without giving it any second thought, they put Esperanza in an airplane to take her home. What happened next is amazing. To the airport. Evie Power's family fell in love with Esperanza and they wanted to take her home to the US. This is why they adopted the doggy and took her on a plane. Keep watching to find out what Evie Power has to say about this. Instant bond. There was an instant bond between Esperanza and my son and we decided to adopt her, said Evie Power. Isn't this amazing? You won't believe how Evie and her family came to meet Esperanza. Family vacation. We were on vacation in Playa del Carmen in 2010. 3 days in, we decided to pet kittens at Coco's Animal Welfare. As we were leaving, they asked if we'd like to see a dog who was nursing a litter of kittens, said Evie Power. Loving family. Esperanza got lucky and the right people came to visit her. Now she has a loving family that cares for her. You'll never guess why they named the pup Esperanza. Appropriate name. Evie Power says that her son chose to name the dog Esperanza because he saw how she gave hope to the litter of kittens that were abandoned by their mother. I think it's safe to say that it's an appropriate name. The pooch has an amazing life now. See it for yourself in the following photos. Loving home. Esperanza now lives in the US with Evie Power and her family. The best thing about this is that Esperanza seemed to forget about her hardships in Mexico and she's simply enjoying her life now. Best friends. The best thing about this entire story is that Esperanza and Evie Power's son became best friends. The two love spending time together and Evie always finds them playing around the house. Starting a new life. Esperanza got the chance to start a new life with a new family, but not all dogs are as lucky as her. The next picture will bring a smile to your face. Goofy dog. As you can clearly see, Esperanza really likes to goof around for pictures. Isn't she adorable? Great life. Esperanza had no idea what special dog food or toys were, but now she gets to play with as many toys as she wants. Life took a great turn of events of Esperanza, and we can be sure that she's happy with her new family. Love to give. Esperanza had so much love to give, and the litter of kittens survived because of that. This is why Esperanza's new family gives her so much attention. Incredible story. What do you think of Esperanza's incredible story? Have you ever heard of a dog feeding milk to kittens before? I'm sure you didn't. The next photos will brighten up your day. Natural enemies. Despite their differences, some dogs and cats seem to be able to become best friends. Just look at how these two share sunshade together. Big paws. Isn't it adorable how curious the little kitten is? I bet that this kitten and the huge dog are going to have some amazing times together. Comfy chair. Who needs a chair anymore? This cat sure knows how to sleep comfortably. Cute kitten. We can be sure that no one is ever going to mess with this little kitten as long as she sits next to her dog friend.